from the National Weather Service. For the following county, York, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flood warning for northeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 11 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., local law enforcement reported ongoing road closures and areas of high water due to earlier heavy rain across the warned area, especially near Allen and Wrightsville. The flooding will gradually recede through the evening hours. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.